Kung isa ka sa nakapanood ng souffle fail to success video, alam mo na yung pinagdaanan ko. This time, I'm sharing the recipe para ikaw naman ang makagawa, not the fail version, but the soft and fluffy souffle pancake. I'll start preparing the non-stick pan. I'm using this Red Chef 26cm ceramic pan. Perfect siya for making souffle pancakes. And of course, non-stick talaga siya. Ngayon, i-ready na natin ang pan. Lightly, pahiran ng vegetable oil gamit ang tissue. Sa isang bowl, maglagay ng egg yolk at milk, then haluin. After that, isift ang harina at baking powder. Kapag well combined na, time to make the meringue. Gamit ang hand mixer, i-whip for few seconds. Pag medyo foamy na, lagyan ng cream of tartar, then i-whip ulit and gradually add sugar. Make sure wag ma-overwhip. Kapag stiff na, add some cornstarch to absorb moisture and help meringue stay dry para maiwasan mag-collapse or watery. Then maglagay muna ng konting meringue sa butter, haluin para mag-light ang texture. Then add more and i-fold gently. Tapos isalin sa natirang meringue and i-fold ulit hanggang mag-combine and i-transfer sa piping bag. Now, here comes the challenging part, ang pagluluto ng pancake. Hinaan ng apoy to low heat, then dahan-dahang ilagay ang butter sa pan hanggang makuha ang gusto mong size. Then add a bit of water sa gilid and cover to steam. After 2 minutes, add a little more butter on top and steam again for another 3 minutes. Carefully, scrape ang gilid ng pancake para siguradong walang dikit. Tapos, dahan-dahang i-flip ang pancake, cover ulit and cook until fully done. And that's it. Meron ka ng fluffy, jiggly souffle pancake. After watching this, sana hindi ka magkaroon ng fail video gaya ng sa akin. Pero syempre, hindi ko naman sinasabi na makukuha mo agad. Just keep trying kasi once you get it right, ang saya ng feeling para ka ng sumakses.